This Creality K1C and K1 SE High Flow Nozzle uses an D Obxidian design that reliably keeps up with very fast printing speeds without starving the extruder. The multi-channel internal path lets filament move through more freely, so high-speed profiles on printers like the K1 series and Ender 3v3 stay consistent and clean. Its one-piece metal assembly that combines the nozzle and heat break makes nozzle swaps far quicker and reduces the chance of leaks or misalignment. The titanium alloy heat break and copper alloy tip with hardened steel insert handle demanding materials while keeping heat where it belongs at the melt zone. With a durable coating on the nozzle, abrasive carbon fiber and glass-filled filaments cause far less wear than on standard brass nozzles. Compatibility with popular Creality models and the familiar 0.4 mm diameter makes this an easy performance upgrade for users who want faster, sharper prints.